Oh, that's upsetting. What the fuck?
What?
Ow, damn it.
Oh, you don't finish.
Pass me a pair of pliers. Give me a pair of pliers. Because my hands are too oily, I can't fucking...
You did it.
No! Give me a fucking pair of pliers. Down one. See if there's a 10mm wrench, we're gonna need it. Yeah. Because we're gonna need it. How is that difficult to understand? There's parts where the ratchet doesn't fit. Hey, all these bolts are going together, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not breaking it, I'm just taking them off. So that way you can break them. Break what? Did you actually find a little thermometer?
Yeah.
Tell me this. Who's faster? Fuck. Shit, hold on. Fuck, this isn't Jiffy Lube, calm down!
Pit crew, homie.
What fucking pit crew is changing an oil pan? Yeah, you really thought about that, huh? Oh, bitch. You like the drain bolt? That's all. You got the drain bolt.
Fucking finger tight, alright.
Fuck yeah! That's quality. That's Jiffy Lube level right there. Excuse me while I scream to the stars.
I should get a...
Did you get a wrench or no?
Yeah, but it's not a wrench.
I don't care. I just need a wrench.
Over here for... I'm gonna... Wait, are these all oil pan bolts?
Everything that's right here. Yeah.
So keep it organized here, right? Gotta try to keep it organized, but...
Oh, how nice. This one didn't have a washer. Oh, yes it did. You can do it. Fuck, how many bolts does this fucking thing need? What? It doesn't fit?
No, it does, but I can't do this.
You can't do what? Holy
No.
shit, this one's on
Let me
fucking on there.
Non-ratcheting wrenches are a thing of the past.
Until it doesn't fit, huh?
Until it doesn't fit. Here. Keep trying.
You can do it.
So annoying, bro.
Are you taking the other one off?
Gotta be efficient.
Multitasking.
Here, why don't you throw some of your hands in there, actually? Handles.
No, I'm good.
Back to safe try. I'm sure it.
Are you still?
I'm sure a swivel socket wouldn't have hurt us.
Oh shit.
Those are all oil pan boats, bro. Holy shit.
Oh, I know.
There's shit in
You gotta make sure your oil doesn't come out.
What?
So you gotta make sure your oil doesn't come out.
there. That's true. That's not well put up, I guess. Okay, behind this, there's an oil pickup, so we gotta just make sure, because that you can sell. You just gotta make sure to pick it up and not damage the oil.
You don't think it wasn't completely fucking crunched?
No, this part was definitely crunched. I don't know, because the oil.
Oh, you know what?
it's
It's gonna be back here.
It's around here. It's like kind of took the brunt force of it, but didn't break. It just like scratched it. Just had that
Electrical right next to this, huh?
one. Had that one. I think I would have used this one.
Oh shit, never mind. I
Wanna
was
film
gonna
it
get the
or what?
fucking handle.
Oh, yep, there's that oil pickup. Oh, okay.
Look at the inside of that. Damn. You ever seen metal shavings?
Holy. Okay, let's take a look at cylinder 6. Let's
You know what's crazy? Look how much oil is on this one. And
I know. This is a lot of our
dude, why is there shit inside?
It was sitting. Okay, I got this with my hands.
Is it the dipstick? That's a sick ass dipstick.
I might use that.
I know.
Take that over there. I'm gonna try to crank. Ah, just too small.
Oh.
22.
Just see what's in the pickup.
RTV? That's probably why this engine failed, to be honest.
Well, look at it. I mean, it's completely covered. There's no chance in hell. You could take this bolt off.
Oh, shit. It's a 10, just like everything else.
Just like everything else. Good old German engineering, eh? Fucking piece of shit. Alright, don't be careful to get it out. Oh shit, yeah, look at that. Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh, that's a thread. Oh shit, is that one of the fucking... I say this engine was fucked to begin with.
I say this guy.
What the fuck was he throwing at this? You get that, grab a screwdriver maybe. Oh, you got it. Tiny ass raccoon fingers.
That's a new one. Like we didn't see nothing. Oh wow! Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Let me take a look at that.
Oh my god! Look at that. So you can take off the oil pickup? You gonna take it off? Why not? It's probably still good.
I'm doing all that right now. Guess I could do that.
That's all I'm saying, you know. That is some pretty good German engineering that you know exactly how to put it. The way the pickup tube is, it goes perfectly, so you can actually put it on.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Is the torque spec on this?
The torque spec is probably
About good.
the good thing is these are probably 12s.
Oh, check this out. I'm not sure what this is.
Go ahead, keep fucking with it.
Alright, let me get a 22. I want to rotate it to about less than 6.
All I need is a 12. I think. I hope. Man, I really hope this is a 12. I don't look like a fool. Out here looking like a fool. What the fuck is it? 13.
Oh, we already have. Badass.
Hey, I'm taking this off, yeah?
What? Oh, hold on.
Oh, pues. You're right. I'm gonna take it off.
Hold on. So much easier when you're not rotating hard as shit. That's why it locks up piston 6.
You think it's piston 6 that's causing it?
It does its rotation, comes back up, locks up there.
Oh, you're right. It is.
Oh, should I do it
I'll
again?
be damned.
Let's get a closer to that. Get a closer to that. Wow, this is a teaching moment right here. It's coming back for the rotation.
Flashlight?
Just at my phone, but shit.
Ooh.
As soon as it comes up. Oh, did it clear that time? Nope.
Nope. No, it did not.
It's caught. Yep. So it's gonna be piston 6 that does it.
So I wonder if we take this off right now, you think it'll be able to just go the whole way?
I think so, yeah. But we don't have that socket. Oh yeah, we do actually.
Yeah, we do. Do you want to take it off?
Yeah, might as well. Time to learn. So it's not an 11, it's gonna be a 10.
Which we do have.
I just was using one.
Hey, maybe we can just like
On the half inch.
Finesse-
On the impact.
finesse that bitch. Oh, that's right.
It's already set up. It wants to come off, bro. Come on. It's even a 12 point, no?
Oh shit, it is.
That shit wants to come off.
Turn it. Oh, you got me fucked up. Is they're just fucked up both ways, huh? At least you're not using this part.
The only thing is that piston, I feel like it's gonna drop.
Now we need to break it.
You can move it up to speed too.
Oh, is it on 1?
Yeah. I just have it slow because it's banged.
Oh shit.
By the way?
Oh shit.
What?
Oh fuck it. What is that on? No, this.
Oh! Lord have mercy. Okay, okay.
Oh, look at that bad boy.
Okay, hit it.
Oh, there, it's coming up.
What's going on?
Oh, wait, oh, shit, you're moving shit. Hold on.
Hit it. Try to hit it. This one. One more. There you go.
Oh, that's fucked. Oh shit, feel that.
Holy shit. Let me go show my dad. Let me go show him.
Fuck. That's crazy. Oh shit. Oh man.
What? So there's my bearing.
Fuck, it's like, it is fucking gnawed. Hey, look at the O-rings. The O-rings are not even in good shape either. Look at this. Look at the clearance. Look at the clearance of the O-rings.
Piston?
Piston rings, you know what I mean. Look at this. Look at this. This is compressed all the way.
Yeah, so these are fucked. So theoretically now it should.
Theoretically, the rest of this is fucked. Bro, tell me it wasn't number 6 that was our problem.
Wait, no, what?